Well, so I started working on the A8 again, found out why it stopped. The fuel sending unit is dead, so it was simply out of diesel. Plus the return line is split, going from the filter down behind the right front wheel. So I'll have to fix that. But now that it runs, it's simply out of power. There's nothing there. I tried fiddling with the wastegate arm. Let's see if you can find it. This one. It should be like that. And it's stuck. It's completely stuck. In fact, I'm not sure if it's the wastegate, if it's a wastegate or a variable turbo thing. Probably the second, since there's no extra tube out. But anyway, that will cause your turbo not to produce boost, which in turn means that you have 0 horsepower, or very few at least. So I took this one off the parts car. It feels perfect, barely any slack, and you get a little slack like that. It's fine because the oil film, well, when you get oil pressure, we take it up, but you don't want slack in and out, and this one has nothing, so it's good. So this was the easy part, taking off an engine in the car. Luckily the drain pipe, which I thought was going to be a pain, was simply pull it out, put on a new O-ring, pop it back in down there. So yeah, I've done that. Now we just have to do everything again and put this into the A8 and see if I can get it working. Still need to make brake lines and change the discs and pads, but she's getting there. There she is. Nice thing about having a big garage is it's full of other shit. Anyway, there's the new turbo. Here's the old one. You can see this lever down here is stuck. Well, this one is minty. So all you have to do is 3 12mm bolts that you can reach with the ratchet, and there's one down below that you have to use a regular wrench for, or whatever you can get your hands on. And you take all that, take off the pipes and stuff down there, oil pressure side, and the oil drain just pulls right out. It's down there, and everything should be fine. I'm still missing the arm between the Wastegate actuator or VNT or whatever it is, but I suppose I can find that easily enough. Anyway, need both hands for this, and I'm a dumbass using a cell phone filming, so here we go. Well, as suspected, the last bolt did not want to come out easily because, well, kind of awkward down there. It's down there. Anyway, didn't have crow's feet, so I made this. Rip 12mm, that's $2 I'll never see again. And a 9mm that never gets used. But yeah, I got it loose. Success. So, well, just got to take off the rest, I guess. This is what Victor looks like. I just gotta swap over the turbo elbow. Hopefully one of the studs will come out. And I put it all back together. You can see the turbo isn't very good because this one is clean. This one is not. I can even feel it rub against the housing, and it's very sluggish. So yeah, get. Well, the stud didn't break loose, but you just take two nuts like that, tighten them against each other, and voila, stud comes out. Excellent. Well, I found a wastegate actuator arm. It was too long, so I cut it off. Then it turned out it was just drilled out to like there. So I drilled her out with a cheap ass Walmart kind of broken threading kit. And now I'm just threading it out, see if it works. A new one cost $30, so complete with the everything. So this is just for testing purposes. Anyway, all jobs can turn out like that. A lot of bullshit. Well, that's everything back together again. I'm not sure if I did the wastegate setup right, or if it's wide open now and it'll close. But that's easy enough. It's just two 10mm bolts and just take it all off. Anyway, let's see if she still starts. A little bit grumpy because the glow plugs are not all that. Yep. There you go. Looks good so far. It's too fucking low to be driving on the field, really, but it's what I got. Nope, there's no power still. I'm gonna suppose the turbo is set up the wrong way. It's not boosting. Oh. That's a quick fix. Be right back. Well, still not running great. There's something wrong. But judging by all the black smoke, this is where I was parked, and it has no fault codes. It seems fine on idle. There's some sounds when I start it up. Makes me think maybe one or two of the rocker arms have popped off again. But yeah, that's the exhaust trail. So I'm gonna assume it's got a really clogged converter. So I'm just gonna remove that and see if it gets any better. If it does, I'll just get myself a generic cheap ass converter, I guess, just to swap in to make it run. But just having it start and making choo-choo turbo sounds again, that's a plus. Anyway, that's all for now. It's an Audi. I can't guarantee I'll get it to work properly. I mean, it drives now, but it's slower than Toyota Crown 66 horsepower beast. That's saying something. That car is a whole 8 seconds slower 0 to 60 than 88 Chevy pickup with a 6.2 diesel and 3-speed. So yeah, slow. But anyway, I'll see if I'll make a bit more videos now that the weather is more agreeable. Not fucking freezing everywhere. Fatty really wants attention. So I'll leave you there. Have a good one.